I am pleased to join you today as we open the Philippine National Railways Lucena San Pablo commuter line. Now that we have only a few days left in the administration, I am truly honored to witness the result of our hard work over the past 6 years. Kung ito lang sana ang project po para dito sa lugar na to, the region, matatapos namin siguro yung Bicol Express. But yung pera ho ay pinaghati-hati ko right at the start of my administration. Ito silang cabinet members, sinabi ko na divide the money equally among the regions. Kaya every region ho may kunti kami. So halos lahat nakatikim ng improvements sa buhay nila. So kung ito lang ho ang makaya namin, pagpasensyahin na po ninyo. But anyway, I have no doubt that the next administration would continue to build and this next generation and our sons and daughters by that time would have a perfect mass transport system. Mag-segue lang po ako as an administrator of a city. Hindi ko naman ho pinagyayabang sa inyo, but the matter of factly is that I was mayor of Davao City for 23 years. Kaya alam ko po na gaano talaga kahirap mag-ayos ng bayan. Sa Davao po, wala kaming ganito simply because for reasons of delicadeza, even our airport, pati yung mga infrastructure planned already, nung umpisa, sabi ko, unahin na ninyo yung ibang lugar. And that contributed also to yung ano namin yung mayor noon na she was vice mayor. She wanted the airport expanded. Tapos sabi ko, dahil unahin na lang muna natin yung ibang lugar. Ipagbilid muna natin yung atin kasi hindi maganda tignan na nauna tayo. As a matter of fact, we should be the last to benefit. So hanggang ngayon po, yung daan namin sa subdivision turned over to the government, ang road ng aming bahay ay dirt road pa rin, simentado na lahat. Yan ang mahirap sa kung ikaw ang nandito. You have to think of so many things before you can really embark on something. Ganon ho ang labanan ng governance. But anyway, no regrets ako. Let me give you the people and the entities responsible for this. I would like to recognize the Department of Transportation headed by ART, Philippine National Railways, and the local government units for making this happen. We know that with effective mass transport system, we make places more accessible and easier to manage, thereby strengthening trade between rural and urban areas. In addition, we can boost our tourism sector given the attractions and landmark stationed near the terminals of this railway. Indeed, this project is proof of our commitment to enhance mobility and connectivity across the archipelago by improving our routes and bringing convenience to our fellow Filipinos. With this, we make everyone feel the change we have promised at the beginning of our term. For instance, this railroad shortens travel time between San Pablo-Laguna and Lucena, Quezon, from 1 hour to 30 minutes. This is also a vital step towards restoring the PNR Bicol Express that will connect Metro Manila to the provinces in the southern Luzon and Bicol. In the previous years, we have championed programs that filled in the gaps in the transportation sector. Now I urge DOTR, especially those who will be left behind and those who will take over the mantle of leadership, to continue leading the improvement of our railways system. It is my hope that you will never lose sight of this goal, as the enhancement of this vital transportation connection will be the key to unlocking even better opportunities for our countrymen.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.